Good morning, folks. As promised, I have just a quick video on how to post listings to Craigslist. Okay, let's get started. At the moment, I've got a Craigslist account open. I've got Madam Cara Farley's account open. A few of you might know her. So let's get started. Like I said before, once you've got your Craigslist account open, what you want to do is you want to open up a new tab. That's pretty important, right there. Okay. What I've done is I've got the Craigslist Easy Lead Generator just stored in my favorites right there. So all I do is once I've opened up a new tab, I just go to my favorites, and I advise you guys to do the same. Saves a few seconds here and there. Okay. Then what you do is you log in to your own account using the password and login that I gave you, and log in. Okay. Then you get prompted to each time you open up the software to close down all the browsers and open up your Craigslist account, and then in a new tab open up the Craigslist Easy Lead Generation software. So we've already done this. If you just follow the steps that I did before, you would have covered these steps. You can say OK. Okay. Now you're given the opportunity to input MLS number, and I've got one handy here. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. Now obviously you guys can type in whichever ones you have, and hopefully that's plenty every single day. And then you want to go ahead and select the relevant state that this property is found in. Then you go to build ad. Remember, the URL link that's there can be changed by going to your profile, which is located up there. And now we wait for the software to find all that information in the MLS data. And really, this is the longest part of the ad building process. So this gives you the perfect opportunity to maybe have a sip of your coffee or check the view outside. Nearly there. And we're up and running. Perfect. Okay. This is just a prompt just to tell you that the ad's not actually in Craigslist yet. We're still just building it, but it'll be in very shortly. So press OK to that. Okay. So this is what your ad's going to look like in Craigslist. Okay. So in this step, you've only got to do two things, and that is select a headline, which can be changed later. So for now, we'll just put seller needs an offer today. But remember, that can be changed at a later date. And then an area that you want to post the listing to. So for this one, it's going to be Orange County. And before I post any ad, I just have a quick look at it, make sure the pictures are in there and all the relevant information's in there, and your name's at the bottom, and the listing courtesy of the listing agent, the relevant listing agent, is in there. You don't want to upset anybody. And then we go to post now. I'm doing this pretty slowly, but I expect that this whole process takes no more than 1 to 2 minutes once you're posting 10 to 20 at a time. When you get to this stage, there's very little to do once again. The only thing that doesn't normally come up in this section is the number of bedrooms, and in this case it's 2. And I found that information out by just looking at in the code right there. It says number of beds 2, so pretty good hint that that's the amount of bedrooms that are in the property. And then you input a email that this person can respond to. And it's up to you if you want to show, hide, or anonymize. I just anonymize. No. Also, on top of that, I just delete that little bit of line of code right there, and press continue. And that's what the ad should look like in Craigslist. Now, if you're happy with what the ad looks like, I'm pretty happy with that. Looks pretty darn good. Press the continue button and try and decipher what this says. This is always the fun part of the whole exercise. You'll land cleaver. Sounds like a phenomenally intelligent gentleman, if it is a person or whatever it is, or a creature that lives under your bed. But there you go. Once you've hopefully got that right, you press continue, and you've just successfully posted a listing to Craigslist. So it should be up there in a few minutes, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, this short presentation, and enjoy the success that comes from the software. Once again, this video is brought to you by Chad Sinclair, Stearns Lending. Any questions, please do give me a call. Bye now.